Additionally, General Timothy Ray, Commander, Air Force Global Strike Command, Mrs. Leanne Corrett, Chief Executive Officer and President, Boeing Defense, Space and Security, and Colonel Michael Giroux, Program Executive Officer for Intelligence, Surveillance, Reconnaissance, and Special Operations Forces, are grateful to have you all here today to celebrate this momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the presentation of the colors, the singing of the national anthem, and the invocation.
Mark, time. Go. Halt. Freezing. On.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Right shoulder. Arm. Color. Color turn. March.
Fly protected in the safety of your embrace. And in all may her purpose and the name she will bear be realized now and forever into a future blessed with peace. In your holy name I pray. Amen.
Thank you, Honor Guard, Colonel Wade, and Senior Airman Perry for that beautiful rendition of the national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Stops. The Director, Strategic Plans, Programs, and Requirements for Air Force Global Strike Command, Brigadier General Andrew Jabera. The Director, Operations and Communications for Air Force Global Strike Command, Brigadier General Jason Armagas. The Commander, 96th Test Wing, Brigadier General Scott Kane. The Commander, 919th Special Operations Wing, Colonel Kevin Morrell. The Command Chief, 20th Air Force, Chief Master Sergeant Charles Orff. And the Command Chief, 96th Test Wing, Chief Master Sergeant Jamie Auger. We would also like to...
This time of year, I find it even more important that we say thank you. I want to express my personal gratitude to the women and men of the United States Air Force. But I'm willing to bet that what comes next will be even better. And I'm honored to start this celebration with this great video.
surveillance, reconnaissance. That was perfect timing. This is powered now. That's excellent. Please take your seat.
And that presented a huge need that needed to be filled in terms of a capability that has gone past what anyone envisioned its lifespan would be. And so that's the start of the journey. It was with that need, the start of our story today. 16 National Defense Authorization Act enabled the start of this as a program of record, as the replacement of the UH-1N. And so with congressional support, the team's top priority then became to field a fully mission-capable aircraft. Helicopters, corporate DoD processes to get the planning and budgeting for this. Without that, we would not have this helicopter behind us, and we wouldn't be going into combined DT right now.
We are commemorating a very important milestone in a very important acquisition program for lots of reasons. When I think about this issue in front of us about moving forward in the nuclear defense, nuclear deterrence, when I stare down a wave of acquisition and modernization for essentially everything we do, I hope that this particular program is a harbinger of very successful stories to follow, not just for our command, but for the good of the nation and for the good of our allies and partners. That surrounded this particular approach for several years. There are those who said you just needed to go sole source, but ladies and gentlemen, this is about competition, and competition reveals the best. So when I was mentored in the acquisition side of the house, I was taught by the smart ones that says you need to be on time, you need to have stable requirements. So we went to our operators in the field and we got their thoughts, and this is a perfect alignment. The gray wolf is a species native to the United States. It strikes fear in the hearts of many, and its range is absolutely inherent to the ICBM fuels that we have. These animals are capable of taking down something else 10 times their size.
Please stand for the singing of the Air Force song and departure of the official party.
Anybody got any other questions?
Super nice.
Thank you.